Assalamu alaikum guys. So today I wanted to show you how to make a hijab undercap. So it's very easy. I've seen other tutorials online, but they're kind of difficult to follow. So I just came up with this by myself. Um, and I hope you find it easy as well. So we just need a stretchable fabric for this. It doesn't have to be like too stretchy, just a tiny bit, like that kind of stretchy fabric. I have this baby blue fabric that I'll be using, and you need some of these elastics as well. I have one here and I have a small one here. I will give you the measurements, and then you just need a measuring tape, and that's kind of it, and something to mark with. So let's get started. First, we're gonna have to measure the fabric. So for this, you just want to fold. Actually, no, you don't want to fold the fabric. You want to get 20 inches long fabric. So we want the length to be 20 inches long. So you want it about 10 inches long. It doesn't have to be like exact. A few centimeter. If you have up and down, it doesn't really matter because it is a stretchy fabric. So it's going to be a little difficult to work with, but we'll try our best. Okay. Now you just want to kind of mark this and cut it out. So we're going to cut up to here. Okay, so now we have this little fabric that we're gonna work with. You're gonna have to fold this in half. So so we took 20 inches long, so you're just gonna fold this and it will be 10 inches long after you fold it, okay? Okay guys, so after you have folded the fabric in half, I just folded this in half, and now we're gonna sew this end of the fabric. So the other, and don't do anything to the top and the bottom yet. So we're just gonna sew this end. Okay, so after you have after we sew this end, we're just going to fold this end 2 inches. So I'm just gonna fold this 2 inches like that. So you're gonna fold it in towards you. Okay, so we're gonna fold this towards you, and then we're just gonna sew this all the way around in a circle. Depending on your fabric, you want to take 1.5 to 2 inches, I'd say. So this is 2 inches. Okay, and now we're just gonna sew this all the way around, up top over here, not down here, just over here. So this is all sewn. You need this. I mean, this is gonna like stay on your forehead, basically on your head. So this is the front part of the turban or the undercap. And then over here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it around, and you're gonna take your elastic. So this elastic, it's this one is 6 inches long. So you're gonna take a 6 inches long elastic, and you're gonna have this flat on the surface. And this is how you should sew the elastic. You're gonna put this together, make sure that both of the fabric are caught onto the elastic. So if you have like a little extra, like I have a little extra fabric over here, so I have to make sure that both of the fabric gets caught on this elastic. So you're gonna start off like that, sewing, and then I will show you. So as you're sewing, you're gonna start off like this, and then you just hold this back, and then you're gonna keep sewing. Okay, so I'll show you. So you have your elastic set on here. Let me zoom in so you can see. So you have your elastic set. Both of my fabrics are being caught on this elastic. Okay, you place this on here. Now, before you pull the elastic, you want to kind of sew it a couple, just sew it up to here a little bit, just so that the elastic doesn't come off. Okay, and now what you're gonna do is pull the elastic and keep sewing. Okay, so pull the elastic until here, until the end of the fabric. We're gonna pull the elastic until the end of the fabric. All right, and be careful. Well, when you do this, you don't want like the elastic to like fall off, or I mean, I don't know, just be careful. Okay, if you let go of the elastic, it can come and hit you in the face or on the hand, so just be careful with that. So I'm gonna hold it like this and then keep sewing. And that is it, guys. So that's really what I was trying to tell you, is if you pull the elastic, it's gonna come together like this. Okay, So if you open, or if you flip this over, this is going to be your under cap. Okay, this is your under cap if you flip it over. And the only thing is that I don't like my under cap, or I don't like my under cap to have a round face shape. So what I like to do is I will take one of the end, and I have 2 inches long, what do you call this? This is the elastic. So I have 2-inch long elastic. So I'm going to turn this over one more time, and I'm going to take the end that doesn't have the, so I'm going to take the front side, the end that I want my forehead to be facing, basically. So I want to take that end, I'm going to put the elastic here, and I'm going to sew this again the same way I did with this part. You're just gonna hold it back and sew so that it comes together like this, and then it's gonna give you like a V kind of face shape. And I really like the V kind of face shape. I don't know why, it's just, it suits my face better. Alright guys, so this is how your under cap is gonna look. You're gonna have that V-shaped face shape, I guess, the V kind of face shape. And that's it. This is how easy it is to make this type of under cap. You don't really need to cut the fabric in any way. You just fold it in half, you sew one end, and then you have the top 2 ends to work with, and it's very easy. So guys, I am sure that not everybody's measurement will be accurate. So I have a very small head, so this is going to fit me. But if you don't know the exact measurement for yours, if you already have a band or a head under cap at home, then take the measurements for that and try to make something like this. I'm sure it's going to be very easy to make at home. You just need the measurements for you. So let me know what do you think of this. See if you have a sewing machine, you can make this very easily. If not, you have to try with hand. So it's fine. I think that this is very easy to follow the directions, and it's very easy to make this at home. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.